Seriously, ang puro nga ng sand. Magsa-sunset na. What do I look like? Sana maganda lighting. It's sunset now. So pretty. Oh, it's gone again. So beautiful. The sun is setting. Wow. Perfect. Beautiful sunsets. Ano ba? Kita ba? Boracay mangroves. Okay. Take a picture of the mangroves. Wala ba? Ha? Okay. Sorry, nag-video ko eh. Kahit syempre, whatever. Ha? Hindi, ayaw. Next time na lang pagbalik. So nice here. Sinagpa Beach. It is so pretty. And there's a hole there as well. Pero hindi daw siya yung keyhole. Iba pa pala yun. Just gonna walk there. See me? As a whole. Dito nga po, pag diretso to, Diniwid na. Nakapunta na po ako sa Diniwid eh. Saan po pwede magpa-picture? Papasok, okay. Let's walk. That's the hole. Oo nga. Oh, be careful here. May nagpipicture pa ata. Wait lang. May tao eh. Okay, I'll just wait here. Just wait here. Sinagda. Sinagda Beach. Beautiful. So pretty here. Hope you can hear me. Going to the keyhole. Umikot lang kami kasi bawal daw palang dumaan sa fairways. Kailangan dun pa sa may Savoy and Belmont. Yeah, we're just gonna walk. Walk to the keyhole. It's raining again. Oh no! It's raining again. It's raining again. Puka Beach. Melted na. This is my view. Oh. This is really good. I like it. Pero dapat to share siya. Kasi busog na ako. Kalahati pa lang. Tastes so good. Sunset is unreal. I got my Ouroboros tattoo. Yay! I don't know if you can see, but there are fishies in the ocean. Oh, where are they? Here! Here they are, fishies. Hey, fishies! I didn't know there were fishes near the shore. Where are they? Oh no, they're stuck here. Because This is what's higher. They're stuck here. Oh no. How are they gonna get back? Is that like a... I'm in the sand. It's like a sandbar, but not really. The fishes aren't stuck because they can go around here. I'm stupid. I am not a fish. That's why I'm not a fish. Because I would have panicked. You know? We're playing frisbee. Sunset has passed. I'm gonna go home. Well, I'm gonna go back to the hotel. My last night there. The sun is about to rise. It's 5:40. 5:55. It's beautiful morning. It's a bit cloudy, it's a bit rainy, it's a bit windy, but neutral. It's my last day here in Boracay. Last day. This one is so spicy. Oh no, not the pork. Oh no. Just sandwich. I want ice cream. My last afternoon here in Boracay. Sa Lining Coconut Trees. Oh! The doggies. It's so much more chill here in Bulabog. If I do go back here at like a solo trip, I think I would want to stay here. So much more quieter. Maybe I'll take a couple of pics. I don't think I can see the sunset here anyway. But yeah. I think there's a rainbow. Is that a rainbow? I think it is. I think that's the lazy dog. Just charging here. But I do have to go. I do have to go in like 15 minutes. But I'll eat the free breakfast now.